Hi, my name is David P. Shapiro. I'm the owner and managing partner of the law office of David P. Shapiro, located in San Diego, California, where my firm helps good people regain control of their future when charged with a crime. In this video, I want to talk to you about what's going on at the San Diego Superior Court as it relates to criminal cases as we get into the tail end of the summer of 2021 and on the cusp of the fall of 2021. So this video is being shot in late September 2021, and the courts have been open, fully open, for several months starting in June, but there is still obviously a great impact, a great effect on what's going on in the world, particularly related to the coronavirus, particularly related to current closures, particularly related to backlogs of criminal court cases, and also related to the fact that everyone is affected one way or the other, personally and professionally, as a result of what's been going on in the world the better part of the last year and a half. So where we are right now, courts are open, South Bay's open in Chula Vista, El Cajon's open in East County, Vista's open in North County, downtown San Diego at 1100 Union is open for business. And you still have, to a degree, sometimes you can appear by way of Microsoft Teams. Different judges have different opinions on that. Our general principle is we're going to try and get to court for every court appearance to physically be there for a number of reasons, with or without our clients, whether our clients are coming or not. We try and be there as their advocates, as their attorneys, being there with and for them in court. And mask mandates are back inside the building. At first, if you were vaccinated, you didn't need to wear a mask, and if you were not vaccinated, you should wear a mask. But it was sort of on the honor system, and the court had some breakthrough infections, and some outright infections, which really slowed things down considerably. Now, as we progress into August and September, we're having a large breakout, a big problem at the county jails. That's affecting clients or inmates who are in custody, not being brought to court. Sheriffs are keeping them in quarantine, so they're, I don't want to say missing their preliminary hearing, but their scheduled preliminary hearing dates are not going forward. They're getting pushed a week or two or 3 or 4, showing up. Inmate is still in custody, still in quarantine. Big problems, big scheduling problems. District attorneys are running around trying to get to different departments. Defense attorneys are trying to run around to get to multiple departments. And now more than ever, it's important that we all sort of step back, take a breath, recalibrate, and remain focused, right? Because when you're busy, when things are crazy out there in the world and in the courts, that's when mistakes happen. That's when complacency happens. That's when things get overlooked that could have very significant consequences. So it is important now more than ever to really have someone by your side that knows what they're doing, that's familiar with the key players in the courthouse, that has experience handling your type of case, and knows what's going on within the courthouse and within the courtroom where your case will actually be heard. And that applies even to what's going on with court closures, with temporary issues that the jails may be having, with the county mandates, with court mandates, all those things now more than ever as we get into the fall of 2020 and as we get into the the fall of 2021 and as we get into the early part of 2022. So, if you find yourself, you have a loved one who's facing criminal charges in San Diego Superior Court, it is a very interesting time. There are a lot of things strategy-wise that could be done to possibly have your case go sooner, have your case be delayed if that's in your benefit. It is really essential that you have a quality, locally experienced criminal defense team on your side, with you and for you in court, to make sure they maximize the best possible outcome for you. So if you have any questions about your case, feel free to give my firm a call, 619-295-3555, for general questions about what's going on at the court, whether the court's open, what the rules are. You go to sdcourt.ca.gov. That's a homepage for the San Diego Superior Court. Great informational resources there. We also have that on our website, a link to the court information at davidpshapirolaw.com. davidpshapirolaw.com. Again, David Shapiro, owner and managing partner of the law office of David P. Shapiro, located in San Diego, California. My firm helps good people regain control of their future when charged with a crime.